Hello everyone, welcome back to the Word Lessons. Today I will introduce some useful function in the Word with pictures. If you only have words in your document, it seems boring. But if you add some pictures, it seems to be more attracting, and the reader can understand the key point or mean things more clearly. I will show you two versions. This is the first version before insert picture. After adding some pictures, it turned out that this picture made the article looks more interesting, and it showed the scenes in the story, such as the rabbit with the pocket clock and the Alice find the mysterious hole. Before we start the class, you can open the learning material in the Word folder at the desktop, and choose the Course 3 document. At the Course 3.1, I will show you how to change the size of the pictures. Each pictures downloaded from the internet are in different size. Some are too big, however others are too small to show in the page. As the result, we have to change the size of the pictures. First, click the pictures. There are 8 dots show up on the corner of the pictures. While you move your mouse on these dots, it changes to the double arrow. First, the 4 dots are added up, left, and right edge. If you click and drag the up and down dots, only adjust the height. It made the picture look thinner but strange. If you click and drag the left and right dots, only adjust the width. It made the picture look bolder but also strange. The best choice to change the size of the picture is to adjust by dragging the dots at the 4 corners. It can change the picture size without breaking the picture's height and width rate. At Course 3.2, I will show you how to insert pictures. First, click the Insert tab and click the Pictures ribbon. Second, select Word folder at the desktop. Choose Course 3 Picture. After the picture shows up, you will find that the picture is too big. Then you can click the dots on each corner and drag it. At Course 3.3, I will show you how to crop the picture. First, click the picture. Then you can find the Picture Tool tab show up. Then click the Format tab. First, click the picture. Click the Format tab. And find the Crop ribbon. And click it. And then you can select the area you want to leave by drag the black line on the edge. After finishing the editing, you have to click the Crop ribbon one more time, so you can see the result. At Course 3.4, I will show you how to arrange your picture. A great article includes text and picture, but how did the text wrap around the pictures? Here are some different kinds of examples. First, click the picture, then a little icon will show up. Or you can also find this ribbon in another way. First, click the picture, then you can find the Picture Tool tab show up. Then click the Format tab. The first option, it means that the picture is just like one of the words in the paragraph, so it can only move in the sentence, like other texts. The second option, text will wrap the picture in the shape of square. The fifth option, the picture will show only on the top and the bottom of the picture. The fourth option, the picture will be behind the text. And third option, the tight option. This is a common and useful type because it can tightly combine the picture and the text, and you can move your picture anywhere you want in the paragraph. Then you can try every kind of wrap function by yourself.